Okay, guys, so I finished uploading and consolidating all my rants for July, September, August. Days are jumbled, but yeah, today's like the I don't know what day it's today. 12th of September, I reckon. I haven't checked. Yeah, 12th of September. Shit. Yeah, today's the 12th of September, and yeah, it's a bit cold. It's a bit hot sometimes, and it's today's cloudy and. Yeah, kind of gloomy. I really love the hot weather. I really love the sun and everything else, but I still have a lot of things to finish, and I have two assessments that I had extension, but I doubt if I can finish it. But yeah, so messed up. Anyway, just want to say hi to you guys, and yeah, good day. How you going? I'm gonna start doing things now. Okay. Okay, to those of you who just came across this vlog here and it's your first time, I just want to tell you that usually I make out travel videos, travel vlogs. I do funny videos, I do bit of personal videos and everything else, and I also do just like Instagram and anything like photography and everything. I do a lot of things. I'm not a niche person who uploads stuff on YouTube. My main concern for YouTube is just for my diary, and yeah, but I've made out this separate thing that I'm going to talk about me, my down times, the bad times, the good times, and everything else. And today, this season, I'm having a lot of bad times, so I'm putting them up in case you came across this and you get annoyed. I'm very sorry for that. You can just go to other videos or go to other vlogs that you can go, but this is a bit as depressing as it can be sometimes. Full of rants, full of annoying rants, but yeah, that's just my life, and that's just how things are. So yeah, welcome. Welcome, guys. So I decided to walk. Huh? What nag-connect? I-connect siya. So yeah, decided to go out and do a bit of walk. We're here at Scoresby, and we're walking, and Laura's on the phone. How are you going, guys? Yeah. Nobody's here, because it looks like it's gonna rain. Yeah. These ones, they're looking for something. What are you guys up to? How's your day? Can I join you guys? Oh, that's rude. Problem with masks, they fog up my glasses, and I can see all white now. It's raining, so I had to take off my jacket and wear this cool shirt. Well, I thought it's cool. Oh man, all I see is white. Okay. Okay, hail. Hail. Ended up recheck shop. Ooh. Ended up with a chocolate volcano and that white chocolate. So yep, spent a lot today. So we're done with a quick walk, and yeah, there's Laura. Yeah, went to San Churro and just got some chocolate cake and everything else. She got some sweet potato chips, and yeah, so yeah. It's up gloomy. So I think that's the end of the day for today. Nothing much. See ya tomorrow.